The skills gap is a phenomenon that has been observed in many economies worldwide, where employers struggle to find workers with the skills they require, while at the same time, many unemployed individuals struggle to find work. This mismatch between the skills employers need and the skills available in the workforce is referred to as the skills gap. The skills gap is a complex problem that is driven by a number of factors, including changes in technology, shifting demographic trends, and changes in the economy. For example, the rise of automation and artificial intelligence has led to a growing demand for workers with skills in these areas, while at the same time, many workers are struggling to acquire the necessary skills to stay competitive in the job market. One way to address the skills gap is through the provision of training and education programs that help workers acquire the skills they need to succeed in the modern economy. This is where Skills Gap Trainer Communications comes in. As a technical not-for-profit corporation, Skills Gap Trainer Communications is dedicated to providing free online resources, including articles, tutorials, guides, and other digital resources, to help workers overcome the technical skills gap problem. The organization's approach is to create bridging courses that can fill in the gap between traditional secondary and post-secondary education and the workplace. These courses are designed to provide aspiring professionals and even technical project leaders with discipline-specific knowledge and skills. This approach allows for workers to acquire the specific skills that are required in their field, which in turn can help them to become more competitive in the job market. In addition to providing training and education resources, Skills Gap Trainer Communications also works to engage with artists and technicians. By fostering engagement and collaboration between these groups, the organization aims to meet its goals of helping workers to overcome the arts and technology skills gap problem. In conclusion, the skills gap is a complex and multifaceted problem that affects economies worldwide. Skills Gap Trainer Communications is a not-for-profit organization that is dedicated to addressing this problem by providing free online resources and training programs that help workers acquire the skills they need to succeed in the modern economy. By focusing on discipline-specific knowledge and fostering engagement between artists and technicians, Skills Gap Trainer Communications aims to help close the skills gap and improve the employability of workers in a variety of fields.